Well, good morning to you out there. This is Coach P, Jim Pusateri, and today's words of encouragement: dealing with the fear of failure. Yes, so many people don't try new things, don't step out of their comfort zone because of the fear of failing. Folks, I contend there is no failing. If you're going after something, trying to achieve something, you need to step out of your comfort zone. You need to take those risks. And yes, you actually need to fail. But failure is only failure if you quit. If you continue to move forward and learn from your mistakes and continue to build on those mistakes, you'll end up achieving. The only way you'll fail is if you quit. So quit worried about the fear of failing and get in there and try. In fact, it's natural to fear failing. That's what your mind's designed to tell you to do when you get outside your comfort zone. So go ahead and take some risks. Have a great day. Move forward.